The African forest elephant is the smallest of the three and is native to humid forests in West Africa and the Congo Basin. Its tusks are straight and point downward, different to the African bush elephant, whose tusks are curved and they point upwards. The Asian elephant can be found throughout Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The African elephant is biggest and is the heaviest land mammal on Earth. The male African elephant is about 3.2 meters tall, weighing 6 tons on average. That's huge. This is an elephant. Did you know elephants are the largest land animals on Earth? Most experts recognize that there are 2 species of elephant, Asian and African. But the African elephant breaks up into 2 types, the African bush elephant and the African forest elephant. Did you realize that African bush elephants can run as fast as 40 kilometers an hour?